Okay, boys and girls, today we are learning about adding 3 or 4 addends together. Okay, this is our lesson's focus, so it's solving problems with 3 addends in different ways, and then adding in 4 addends. Okay, so you have arrived to Holly's Candy Cafe. So attention, room 306. Holly's Candy Cafe is looking to hire some new employees. The cafe specializes in making addition and subtraction candies. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So in order to become an official employee of the Candy Cafe, you have to prove you can solve 3-step equations. Okay, let's look at this first 3-step equation. It says 6 plus 2 plus 8. So think about a situation when you might have to add these 3 numbers together. So let's say at Holly's Candy Cafe, someone buys 6 pink gumballs, 2 purple ones, and 8 orange ones. Now, how many gumballs did they buy in all? So let's figure out how we're going to solve this equation. So here we have Holly, the owner of Holly's Candy Cafe, and she says, "Hi, Holly here, want a hint? When solving 3 and 4 addend equations, always look for a friendly 10. So let's go ahead and make a friendly 10. If we have the 3 addends, 6, 2, and 8, we see that 2 and 8, when combined, make a friendly 10. And then our only remaining addend from our original equation is the 6. So when we add that 6 to a 10, we know that equals 16. Or you could do it a different way by not making a friendly 10, but adding the 6 and the 2 together, those first 2 addends in the problem, to make an 8, and then adding the other 8 in the original problem. Now, if you know your doubles facts, then you'll know 8 plus 8 equals 16. Or the final way you could have solved this problem is by adding the first and the third addend together to make 14, and then adding the remaining 2 to get your final total of 16 gumballs. Okay, nice work, room 306. So thanks to your speedy work, we were able to produce enough candy for the birthday party. So give your brains a big kiss. Now that you've mastered 3 addend addition, it's time for your next challenge, 4 addend addition. Okay, so we have Holly again, and she has a new problem. It's 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3. So how do you think we can add 4 addends together? I want you to take a few seconds to think about how we could solve this problem. Okay, let's move on to what Holly suggests. So Holly combined the first 2 addends to make a friendly 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. She then took the remaining 2 addends, 4 plus 3, to make a 7. So now she has a brand new 2 addend equation. 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay, boys and girls, that is the end of our lesson. I hope you fully understand 3 addend and 4 addend addition, and we will keep reviewing it as the week goes on.